Ever wondered what the stock market actually is? Is it a casino, a playground for billionaires, or something you should care about right now? The stock market is a marketplace, but instead of buying groceries or clothes, people are buying ownership in companies. These are called stocks or shares. When a company does well, its stock price usually goes up. If it struggles, the price might drop. It's supply and demand, mixed with emotion. Companies use the stock market to raise money. Instead of taking loans, they sell pieces of their business to the public. That's how they grow.
1. Buy low, sell high, called capital gains. 2. Get paid dividends, a part of the company's profit given to shareholders.
But the market doesn't always go up. If you panic, follow hype, or don't do your homework, you can lose money too. Stock prices move because of earnings, news, politics, inflation, or even a single tweet. It's logic mixed with human emotion.
Yes, you don't need thousands of dollars. Apps like Robinhood or Fidelity let you invest just $1. Start small. Think long-term. Millions of Americans invest to retire, buy homes, or grow wealth. Understanding stocks gives you power, more than most people have.
The stock market isn't magic, it's not gambling, it's a tool. And now that you understand how it works, what will you invest in?
Stocks are bought and sold on stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. Think of them as super-fast digital marketplaces.
You might have heard of the S&P 500, Dow Jones, or NASDAQ 100. These are indexes, groups of top companies that show how the overall market is doing.
When the market goes up, it's called a bull market. When it crashes or stays down, it's a bear market. Bulls charge up, bears drag down.
Short-term traders chase quick wins, but most successful investors, they play the long game, years, even decades. Think Warren Buffett, not Wall Street bets.
Biggest beginner mistakes? Panic selling, following hype, investing money you can't afford to lose, and not doing research.
The stock market isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth slowly and smartly. Learn, be patient, and stay in the game.
Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more beginner finance tips and start your investing journey today.